Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to manage Amazon subscriptions. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to manage all your subscriptions on Amazon from one place, then all you can do is simply go to Play Store or App Store from which you have purchased your Amazon subscription. So if you purchased your Amazon subscription through these applications, then you can simply cancel it from the same place. All you gotta do is simply tap on your profile, go to payments and subscriptions, and tap on subscriptions. Now here you can get all the accounts that have been subscribed. So all you gotta do is simply view, edit, or cancel services like Prime, Kindle, or apps through this particular section. So for physical recurring product deliveries, you can use subscribe and save section to change schedules, quantities, or cancel items. These settings allow update to payment method and auto renewal toggles. So this is how you can manage Amazon subscriptions. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.